Welcome to a world where precision meets reliability. In the realm of pressure measurement, understanding gauge pressure is essential. Gauge pressure is the pressure measured relative to atmospheric pressure, allowing it to be either positive or negative. This is distinct from absolute pressure, which measures against a perfect vacuum. In industries ranging from HVAC systems to process automation, precise pressure monitoring is crucial for maintaining safety and efficiency. This is where gauge pressure sensors come into play. They are indispensable tools that provide accurate readings by measuring pressure relative to atmospheric conditions. Setra's gauge pressure sensors stand out in this field, designed with accuracy, durability, and ease of installation in mind. These sensors offer reliable solutions tailored to both standard and demanding environments. Whether you're monitoring air pressure in heating systems or measuring liquid levels in industrial processes, Setra's innovative technology enhances performance and ensures optimal system control. The difference between absolute and gauge pressure might seem subtle, but it's significant. Absolute pressure, always positive, is measured from a perfect vacuum. Gauge pressure, however, can dip below atmospheric levels, reflecting real-world conditions more accurately. Reading gauge pressure is straightforward. Identify the units on your gauge, observe the needle's position, and calculate absolute pressure by adding atmospheric pressure. For instance, if your tire gauge reads 34 psi, that's your gauge pressure. Add the atmospheric pressure, around 14.7 psi at sea level, to get the absolute pressure of 48.7 psi. Gauge pressure sensors are essential wherever atmospheric conditions affect pressure readings. In HVAC systems, they help maintain air quality and comfort. In liquid level measurements, they ensure accuracy and safety. So why choose Setra? Because when it comes to precision and reliability, Setra's sensors are second to none. Our products are engineered to meet the highest standards, ensuring your systems run smoothly and efficiently. Discover the difference Setra can make in your operations. Trust our gauge pressure sensors to deliver the accuracy and dependability you need to enhance performance and control. Let Setra be your partner in precision.